it's our duty to reduce the negative environmental impact that we are causing.
We will have a strong global and comprehensive framework on plastic pollution.
When you read economic forecasts, they never mention what's happening to the ecosystem.
The recognition alone is not enough. We need concrete actions.
The formulas and the solutions are in front of you.
Responsibility to the future generation.
We had to find a solution, and we started by doing it ourselves.
The message is that it can be done, that the natural world has more resources than we can possibly imagine.